Very good evening, students. In the last two previous classes we were discussing about unit 6, that is performance of portfolio evaluation, and in that I have taught two methods. One is Sharpe ratio and another one was Treynor ratio, whereas the Sharpe ratio used standard deviation method and Treynor ratio was used with beta method. And today we are talking about the third method, Jensen's index method. Jensen's index compares the actual or realized return of portfolio with calculated or predicted return, which means to say that this Jensen's index compares the actual return which we got from the market and with the realized return. Realized return means to say that which as an investor or a manager predicted before investing. Let us continue. Better performance of the fund depends on the predictive ability of the managerial ability of the funds, which means to say that if the calculated value of a manager is equal to the actual return which he got from the market index, that is called as Jensen's index. It compares this. Here we have got two of the formulas for the purpose of calculating Jensen's index. Actually, to calculate Jensen's index, it is the only single formula. But if in case if we don't know the value of this alpha, we are going to use this formula. Anyone, it is almost same. Here RF, risk-free rate of return, is here. It can be transferred after this equals, whereas I have took it here. It can be written in any form. These two formulas are almost same. If in case alpha is not given, we have to use this formula for the purpose of calculation of this alpha. Only after that we can calculate this Jensen's index. If it is given, the alpha and beta is given directly, we can straight away use this formula and there is no issue. So let us come on and check what exactly is the problem all about. Let us see the first question. He says alpha and beta coefficient for 5 stocks are given below, right? Alpha and beta is given for 5 stocks. The stocks name: Kraft High Corp, Crown Corp, Courtesy Corp, Cute Corp and Cure Corp. And he has given the alpha for all the 5 stocks and he has given the beta of all the stocks, right? We have to rank which stock is better by using the Jensen's performance index. He has asked the same thing, only rank the 5 stocks using Jensen's performance index. So here by using this formula we have to calculate the Jensen's performance and rank which stock is better for investment. The same formula is we used over here. Jensen's index is equal to alpha divided by beta. The stock is given here and let us see with the first stock, that is Kraft High Corp. Alpha is 1.10, beta is 0.80. So this is the first stock. The name is Kraft High Corp and the formula is written here. Alpha is 1.10 and beta is 0.80. For further calculations we shall use the calculator, right? 1.10 divided by 0.80, so it is 1.375. This is the Jensen's index for Kraft High Corp. Similarly we shall calculate the values for Crown Corp. Alpha is 1.35 and beta is 1.15. Alpha is 1.35 and beta is 1.15. By using the calculator we shall simplify this. 1.35 divided by 1.15, so it is 1.173. Okay, and next one is Courtesy Corp. courtesy crop, for courtesy crop 1.18 and 1.25, 1.18 and 1.25. Now use calculator. 1.25, this becomes 0.944. For cute corp, alpha is 1.25, beta is 0.95, and divide this by calculator. 1.25 divided by 0.95, this becomes 1.315. 1.315. And next is Cure Corp. For Cure Corp it is 1.50 and 1.40. 1.50 and 1.40. 1.50 divided by 1.40 equals 1.07. 1.07. Now what we have to do, we have to compare all the returns. Now if you observe all the stocks, 1.25, 1.173, 0.944, 1.315 and 1.07. Among all these 5 stocks, this Qt Corp's value is little bit higher, so Qt Corp ranks first, right? And then Kraft High Corp ranks second, and then Crown Corp ranks third, and this one Cure Corp ranks fourth, and Courtesy Corp ranks fifth. From the ascending order, the highest value to small order. That is how you have to write the conclusion and rank the stocks. Similarly, I got second question related to all the 4 stocks, and I want you all people to solve the same question, the question similarly like this only.